Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Give her a hug. Give her a hug. Talk. Say hello. Hello. My name is Frankie. And I talk a lot. Just not on camera. Ooh, ah, hello. What's your song? Say, I want to eat right now. My name's Frankie and I came to get chow. I'm not internationally known, but I know how to coo on the phone. I get hungry, I mean starving. Better grab a turkey, start carving like I'm a baby. I'm not a big pup. Better grab my bottle, get it mixed up. Parents love me 'cause I'm pudgy. They better make me something moist and fudgy. Like the way that I eat, that is so. The reason why, man, I gotta grow.